Hello everyone and welcome back to Can Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impressa X7 espresso machine. Now for this machine it was broken because it was leaking a lot of water whenever they were using the hot steam or the hot water on this side. And that's because the hose that is connected between this whole assembly all the way to the bottom was just broken, and all the water was just gushing out through here and making a huge mess inside the machine. We went inside there, deep clean everything in there, and replaced the hose, and that's all we did with this espresso machine. So starting with a little bit of hot water, we're going to be testing it out. As you can see, the water comes out very nice and steady, excellent stream coming out through there, working great. We already checked for leaks inside the machine, there were none. We really run a bunch of water through this and steam just to test it, and we didn't see anything inside. So it's not leaking, it's just working the way it's supposed to. Now we can do a little bit of steam as well. The thermal block inside needs to heat up and get to a certain temperature to produce steam. So once it does, we're going to see steam coming out through the one. And as the thermal block inside gets hotter, we also going to see an increase of pressure of steam coming out through the one. And as you can see, nice and steady steam. Excellent pressure coming out through the one. Working great. Now we're gonna do an espresso with just regular coffee. Now we're going to be doing a cappuccino using the hose. Great flow coming out through there. Using my cup. You can see the liquid siphons from the hose all the way to the frother with no problems. It's throwing out the milk cleaner properly the way it's supposed to. Nice steady foam. Working great. And excellent flow and color coming out through the spouts. So there you have it, Jura Impressa X7 working once again and no longer leaking. Thank you so much for repairing Mechanic Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.